All right, we're keeping an eye on this massive cold front as it continues to push through the area. You can see it is covering quite some ground, and it has brought us quite some trouble overnight. Well, actually starting about 12 hours ago, starting to see that in northeastern Arkansas. Now we're seeing it move through much of the area. It looks like it's already exiting the metro, with the main line still continuing to pick up. It looks like maybe possibility of a little bit of strength as it's making its way across around the Marshall County, Benton County, Fayette, Hardeman County area. So we'll keep an eye on that, but nothing severe at this time. A little bit of lightning, about 23 strikes, but overall heavy rainfall. So that's going to be something that we want to keep an eye on as well. Now, as far as that tornado watch, it does include all of our counties east of the Mississippi, at least for the most part. It has excluded now all of our Arkansas counties, Dyer and Lauderdale County, and we'll continue to see this shaved as this continues on its path as it makes its way through the area. So that goes until 7 a.m. Now, the difference between a watch and a warning, well, a watch means all of the ingredients are there in the atmosphere for the potential for an actual tornado warning. And we've already seen several this morning. We were on a couple hours ago, wall to wall with a situation in southeastern Arkansas. So again, I look at it like cupcakes. You've got all your ingredients laid out on the table. You can put them all together. But once you've got them in the oven and you hear that ding and they are done, well, that means that it has been sighted, it is ready to go, and that is your watch. So thankfully, again, not seeing any of those at this time. Now, as far as our wind advisory, that does include all of the counties that are in brown and from Arkansas east, and we see that until 8 a.m. because we have winds that are possible 40+ miles an hour. Right now, we're seeing gusts, especially where the front itself is. Not hard to point that out. 35 almost in Summerville, 21 in Memphis. You can see most of these areas still gusting a whole lot. And I can tell you those winds were really kicking when I was out by that fire this morning. So definitely a part of the problem when it came to fueling that hotel fire. Now, as far as your hour by hour over the next several hours, you'll see those temperatures kind of wavering, peaking once again at 54 when we get a little more sunshine this afternoon, but then dropping off as we head into the evening. So rain chances should be done as we are clearing, at least as we head into the midday hour. But here's a look at your hour by hour. Again, here's that line that we're watching right now, very defined. And if my system will move, there we go, making its way out of here again pretty early on. By the afternoon, we're just dealing with cloud coverage that continues to clear as we head into the evening. Heading into Tuesday morning, quiet, but as we head into Tuesday evening, more rain, possibly some storms mixed in there as well that we'll keep an eye on as we're heading into the middle of the week. So looking at what you got going on, 59 today, drops to 53 tomorrow, but then we start to get nice and mild and recovering all the way up to 67 on Thursday. However, another front will move through, and as it does, it drops our temperatures, bringing us rain. Really Friday, we could see some rain turning into some flurries late Friday into Saturday. We're looking at those temperatures. We go to 27 for your low Friday, waking up Saturday. 41 for the high, 29 again for the low, so it is going to be much colder. Flurries still possible, and then we also spring forward this weekend, so a lot to keep in mind as we round out the weekend. At least we end on a high note, so we'll keep that all in mind and keep you up to date with the very latest. Now, Trevor has a look